This is a re-upload for archival purposes of my older content. This video was originally uploaded to Experimental Madness in 2017. See the full story in description.
So, to make this potassium carbonate, by putting softwoods and hardwoods into a fire and burning them. Now, hardwoods have about 2 times more potassium carbonate than the softwoods, so it is better off to use hardwoods than softwoods, as it has more. So I'm just getting cardboard because it will still give me potassium carbonate, just not as much. Going to be putting it on top. Okay guys, so now that it's the next day, I've got my trowel here, and here are the ashes. It's quite a lot of ashes, I reckon. And I'm just going to get this trowel, scoop up some ash, and put it over here in this bucket. In fact, I'm going to bring the bucket over here just to make it easier. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this boiled water here in a kettle, and I'm just going to soak all of this ash, and so this will all dissolve the potassium carbonate. Now I've done some research, and it seems that a lot of people think it's potassium hydroxide, when in fact it's actually potassium carbonate. Okay, I've got this PVC pipe here to mix it through. Okay, so I can see quite a lot of this stuff is just floating to the surface. I'm hoping I can just skim this off and then let the rest settle, and then pour off the good water. I hope. In fact, I could probably make this settle faster by swinging it around. Oh, that made it go on a spin. Oh, that made me go on a spin. Oh, that was bad. I spun too much. I'm just scooping off the floating ash and charcoal on the surface. I was swinging it around before because it acts like a centrifuge. I've got this bucket to decant it in. I'm just looking for a filter. Okay, got my filter. It's a fly screen. Settled a little bit. Here is my orange water. This contains potassium carbonate. It is very hot right now, so I'm just gonna do it quickly. Yeah, it does feel kind of soapy right now. Okay, so this is just a simple paper towel filter. I've just got paper towel and a glass jar. Be hollow in the middle. Get the liquid. And let it filter through. Just to show you a comparison, that's the color of this liquid, and that's the color of the liquid before. Okay, so I've got the whitest pan that I can find, so that it evaporates faster. Obviously this is already quite hot, as you can see. There's like smoke on the surface. Okay, so this is probably as much as I can get it to boil down to. Actually, you know what? No, I can see salt's crystallizing already, so I've got to add more water to it. Let's add some water. There you go. That should be good, I reckon. Okay, so I've got this pan full of water with the jar of the filtered solution in it. As you can see, it is completely full of organics. It's so black. I'm not going to be able to get a very good product out of it. But if I add ethanol to it, it should precipitate the organics out. There you go, just turned all brown. So I'm just going to show you a video from last year of what it looks like when I do this.
Whoa, see that? Look what it's doing in there. See that? It's doing some white, it's making some white stuff there. This is just settling out this fast. Look how cool that is. Do you think it's so cool just watching the crystals?
By decanting this, I hope that it'll be much more clearer. It doesn't look like it. It's gone back to a honey looking colour. I had the bad solution in here, and then I filtered it with this paper towel that acts like a siphon. It almost took 24 hours for this to actually filter through. And it has gotten a lot more clear now. I'm going to filter it again.